So chances are you've probably been drawing things without using layers, and I did that the first time I started learning how to draft. So I'm just going to go down here and just sketch some stuff. Stuff doesn't really mean anything, it's just for the purposes of just learning how to do some things here. So let's just say these are 3 elements that I want to put on 3 different layers. I'm going to go to my test here. And maybe test 2, I'll change the color of it just so that we can see the changes occurring. I'll make it a dark blue. Test 3, maybe I'll make that one yellow. Test 4, maybe I'll make that one red. And then test 5, maybe I'll make that layer green. And this is just for the purposes of learning how to move content from one layer to another. So let's just say I want this one to go to this test 2 layer. So right now we kind of don't really know what layer it is on, but we kind of do. And I know that it's on layer 0 because that was my current layer, so anything I've been drafting is going to end up on layer 0. And up here at the top, since I have this element selected, I can see that it's on layer 0 because that's what I see here. So I want to change it. I want it to go to test 2. So what I'll do is I'll go up here to the top, click this drop down, and just choose test 2. Notice as soon as I do that, I'm going to hit escape. My line work has now turned this dark blue color, meaning that it has now moved to layer 2. So if I select it, I notice up here, now it changes to show me that what I have selected is on test 2 layer. So I'm going to go ahead and do that again. I'm going to do it for this line work. I'm going to select it, go to this little drop down, and choose test 3. And I'm going to do this for this third one here, and I'm going to move it to test 4. So now if I select this, I can see that it's on test 2. If I select this one, I can see it's on test 3, and if I select the red one, I can see it's on test 4. What happens if I select them all? Well, since it's on multiple layers, it's going to be kind of blank up here. Now let's just say I want this blue one to go from the test 1 or from the test 2 layer to test 5. I can certainly change it again. I can change it as many times as I want. And maybe I want all of these to go to test 5. Well, I can certainly select them all and go up here and just simply select test 5. So it's fairly easy to move things to different layers. And let's just say maybe there is something underneath this and I need this to be turned off. I just click on this freeze thing and it goes away. I can also use the on or off to make it go away. Freezing and unfreezing and on and off, each unique have their own purpose, but for the purposes of what we're doing today, we'll just focus on the fact that it just turns information on and off, and later we'll learn exactly what on and off and freeze and unfreeze is specific for.